Question: applicable din po ba ang separation benefit if ang government agency ay nag-offer ng early retirement benefit? Answer: yes po. Bakit? Please watch the full video, ma'am. I-explain natin concisely, direct to the point, and with example. Let's get started. Ang separation benefit, ma'am, at ang retirement benefit ay magkaiba. Ang separation benefit po ay binibigay po ng GSIS sa kanilang GSIS members na nag-qualify na makatanggap nito. Ang qualification nito, ma'am, is yung may government service na 3 years up to 15 years po, and then less than 60 years old po ang member. Meron siyang separation benefit na matanggap sa GSIS. Ang matanggap po ng member pag 3 years but less than 15 years and below 60 years of age is cash payment po, equivalent to 100% of AMC. Actually, meron akong short video nito. Please watch in my channel. Yung member naman na 15 years and up but below 60 years of age, meron ding matanggap po na separation benefit in the form of cash payment po. That is equivalent to 18 months or 18 times sa basic monthly pension niya, payable upon separation and monthly pension for life at age 60. Yan po, ma'am. On the other hand, ang retirement benefit po na gi-offer ng government office po ninyo, i-separate po yan. Depende po yan kung magkano yung ibigay nila. Normally po, 100% times number of years in service. Yan po ang alam ko na computation. For example po, ma'am, 20 years in service kayo, times po sa monthly compensation ninyo. So kung ang monthly compensation ninyo po, ma'am, na basic is, palagay natin po 40,000 times 20 years po. Yan po ang matanggap ninyo sa retirement benefit na gi-offer ng government agency. So medyo may kalakihan din, ma'am. Alright? So swerte kayo, ma'am, na merong offer na retirement package ang office ninyo. Unlike sa iba po, wala po. So meron kayong pabaon, in other words. Congratulations po, ma'am. So hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo po regarding separation benefit and retirement benefit. So again po, yung separation benefits sa GSIS po yan makuha at i-apply po natin yan. Ang retirement benefit po sa agency po ninyo or sa office ninyo. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.